Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add your Tesco Club card to Google Wallet. First, open the Google Wallet app on your phone, tap Add to Wallet, and then choose Loyalty. In the search bar, type Tesco and tap on Tesco Club card from the list. You'll now have the option to either scan your physical club card with your camera or enter your details manually. Once added, your Tesco Club card will appear in your Google Wallet, ready to use at checkout. And that's it. Now you can collect points and use your Tesco Club card straight from your phone. And that's how to add Tesco Club card to Google Wallet. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.